The hardest part of clairaudience is separating inner guidance from inner commentary. What if the voice you trust most is not the loudest one? Most people expect intuitive hearing to sound like a dramatic external voice, but many clairaudient impressions arrive as a neutral phrase, a sudden word, or a sentence that feels complete before emotion grabs it. This stayed confusing because spiritual traditions say listen within, while psychology warns that the mind generates endless internal speech. Inner speech research shows that humans constantly produce silent verbal thought. Clairaudience training begins by distinguishing tone, pressure, timing, and usefulness inside that stream. Step 1. Sit quietly and write down the first 5 inner phrases that appear. Step 2. Label each phrase as fear, planning, memory, desire, or neutral. Step 3. Do not obey any phrase that arrives with panic or flattery. Step 4. Ask one simple question and listen for the shortest neutral answer. Step 5. Test that answer through one low-stakes action. Most people ask when inner voice becomes guidance.
Tone reveals the difference. Days 1 to 3, commentary feels louder than guidance. Days 4 to 7, neutral phrases become easier to identify. Days 8 to 14, useful guidance arrives briefly and without pressure. Why does this work? Because inner hearing is crowded. The goal is not to believe every voice inside you. It is to learn the signature of guidance: brief, clean, unemotional, and strangely precise. The next layer is learning when silence is also an answer. If you want to learn to train your intuition, comment intuition below to get